Ooh, my allergies. Don't sneeze. Don't sneeze. Don't sneeze and fuck up the look. Hello, you guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Sylvette. I'm here to try out this graphic eyeliner look. It was so hard. I literally failed, and then I was able to kind of do it. I'm not gonna do like full face. This video is literally just gonna be me struggling to do the eyeliner portion of this look. So if you guys are interested in that and seeing how I achieved the eyeliner part, keep watching. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, you know, the whole shebang. I am really proud of myself. Actually, I think it turned out okay. I was really stressed. I had to take like a whole ass eye off. I used literally like 3 different eyeliners. It was a mess, and I don't know how people do this like on the reg. I will probably never do this look again. Honestly, it was too stressful. Winged eyeliner was really hard for me to learn, and to this day it still stresses me out. So using an eyeliner to like step it up was really hard. But I hope you guys liked the video. I hope everyone is staying safe, staying home if you can, and staying sanitized. So I'm gonna go. Also, you guys, my tooth gem fell off like 3 days ago. So I don't feel like myself, but it is what it is. Okay, so that was really hard because my dip brow is kind of dried up, and then I just haven't done my brows in a while, so this is what we're working with. So I'm going to take the P. Louise base and just get it all over my eyelids. At first I'm just putting a layer. It's gonna look kind of crazy, but then I'm gonna take a buffing brush and I'm just gonna buff it in. Cool. So my cheeks are just so red, you guys. I can't even right now. I look like a tomato. I don't even know why. I'm gonna take this Sephora Collection eyeshadow single. This is in the color Secret Boudoir, and it's just kind of like a, it's like a cream color. And I'm just gonna take another buffing brush and get this all over my lid. And after I do that, I'm just gonna take this color, it's called Flawless, and I'm just gonna get this in my crease. It's this kind of like caramel light brown. I'm just gonna take the same brush and just work it in my crease. And you could kind of put a darker color on top of this, but I'm not going to. I just want it to be very subtle with the eyeshadow, to the point where you're like, you don't even really notice that it's there. Now's the scary part. I'm really scared to do the winged liner. I'm gonna be using the Tom Ford eyeliner in Deeper. This one's nice because it's double-sided, so you can really create a precise line. So yeah. Okay, you guys, try number 2. We're gonna try the other eye because this eye was a disaster and I just took it off. So here we go. Wing looks promising. Now, the hard part. Okay, that's more like it. Do you see that? Okay, I mean, obviously it needs to be like cleaned up, but this is way better than the other eye. Because the other eye didn't have that curvature. You know what I'm saying? You guys, I hope this shows the like, eyeliner never gets easy, ever. I saw this look and I was like, this is gonna test me. This is gonna test me, and it did. I mean, you saw I took this whole ass eye off because it looked so bad. But now, this is looking pretty good. I think I got it down. I need to do Kat Von D for the skeleton and Tom Ford for the after. You know what I'm saying? To kind of deepen it. Because this one really helps fill in the holes. I'm gonna get a little concealer, very little, and I'm gonna carve everything so that the liner just looks bomb. Did this eye, looks the best it's gonna look, honestly. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye, and let's just hope for the best, because y'all know how stressful it is to do one eye and then do the other eye. And this look is really hard for me because I hate eyeliner. So I'm just bringing my wing out, kind of match the other wing. Close it up. Now this is the hard part. This is the part that I'm like dreading. Okay, slightly higher, but not bad. This eye just fucking hates me, you guys. I think it's because it's my opposite eye, so it's like just harder. But I just don't like how it connected. I will fix this. I'm not mad about this. I mean, it's not perfect, but I'm not mad. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna clean it up and I'm gonna put full face and we're gonna see what this looks like. Okay, this is my finished look. What do you guys think? Not perfect, but I think it looks good with the lashes on. It's kind of like a subtle, like, oh, that's not your typical wing. But I hope you guys liked this video of me just, you know, struggling to do this eyeliner. I am never going to do it again, and if I do, I'm definitely gonna block out like 2 hours to try and do it because it was really, really hard. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe down below. More videos are gonna be coming every week during this quarantine. I hope everyone's staying safe and staying inside if you can. And that is it. I like to end my videos with a fun fact about myself. So, a fun fact about myself is, I don't know if I've said this one already, but I love pasta. Pasta is like my favorite food. I love it. I literally eat it like, I try to eat it not once a week, but sometimes I just like can't help myself. I've been trying to do like healthier pasta options like whole wheat pasta or black bean pasta, lentil pasta, but nothing beats just like a good Italian restaurant and having pasta. Like, ooh, so good. Comment down below what your favorite food is. I want to know if you guys like pasta as much as me, because no one I know likes pasta as much as me. I hope you're having a good rest of your day or night, whatever it may be when you're watching this, and I'll catch you next time.